A motorcycle ride honoring a Hampton boy who's been missing now for 18 months. As News 3 anchor Anthony Sabella shows us, the Ride for Justice also raised money in Codi Bigsby's name.
This memorial behind me has been up since Codi Bigsby was reported missing from this area of Hampton in January of last year. 18 months later, a group of bikers stopped here during a ride in Codi's name. Okay, group might have been an understatement.
My heart is full. My heart's so full.
Hundreds packing the parking lot next to what's become known in Hampton as the Codi Fence, named for Codi Bigsby. The 4-year-old boy was reported missing more than 500 days ago and hasn't been seen or heard from since. Nancy Strickland isn't related to Codi and didn't know him, but his disappearance has shaken her. Sunday, the founder of group We Are Codi's Voice once again found herself at Codi's Fence near his home. This time as the organizer of a Ride for Justice in honor of the little boy. The ride took off from Williamsburg and stopped here, and overwhelmed Strickland taking it all in.
I thank every one of these people that is showing the love for this baby.
Through donations and the sale of t-shirts, the Ride for Justice provided more than love. It also raised money in Codi's name for the National Center of Missing and Exploited Children.
You know, it's a wonderful cause, and it's gonna continue when Codi gets justice. It's going to go to the next child that needs justice, and we're going to do this for the next child, and it's going to be in honor of Codi.
In Hampton, Anthony Sabella, News 3.
Now, the ride, which wrapped at the Retired Armed Forces Club in Hampton, comes not too long after Codi's father, Codi Bigsby, bailed out of jail. Shortly after his son went missing, Codi Bigsby learned he faced several child neglect and abuse charges not related to Codi's disappearance. However, last month, prosecutors charged Codi with Codi's murder. A trial is expected to happen this fall, and last week, the Bixby family told News 3 they had no comment on the Ride for Justice and maintained Codi's innocence.